Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 42. At what value of x does the function y equals to minus 3 minus 2x plus x squared attain a minimum value? A 1, B minus 4, C minus 1, and D 4. Now what this question is just trying to tell us is that what we are asked to find what this is a differential calculus, that is we are asked to differentiate y in respect to x. Now we're given y is equals to minus 3 minus 2x plus x squared. Now the question says that what at what value of x does the function y equals to this attain a minimum value? Now differentiating, we have the y dx will be equal to, now like we know, when we have y is equals to x raised to the power of n, this simply means that what the y dx is equals to n x raised to the power of what n minus 1. So this is what we're going to be applying here also. Now looking at this minus 3 here, it is a constant, so it will be what? It will be 0. Now we have minus 2x, meaning that x is raised to the power of 1, so that will be what? Minus 2x raised to the power of what? 1 minus 1 plus 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. So this is equals to minus 2, because x raised to the power of 1 minus 1 will give us what? X raised to the power of 0, which is 1. So we have minus 2 plus 2x. So we have minus 2 plus 2x. Now we will not just stop here. Since the y dx is equals to minus 2 plus 2x, then we can now say that what minus 2 is equals to minus 2x. That is bringing this 2x now to this left hand side. You can say what minus 2 is equals to what minus 2x. Now divide both sides by minus 2, which is the coefficient of x. Minus 2 we cancel minus 2, then minus 2 we cancel minus 2 to give us 1. That means that x is equal to 1. So the answer for x is 1, and that is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.